Welcome to Science Access. In today's class, I'll teach you the complement law of sets, and this is actually a continuation of our set series. Right? If you know you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe. Now, the complement law simply states that set A union, the complement of set A is equal to what? The universal what? Set, and set A intersects the complement of what? Set A is equal to what? Empty set or non-set. Empty set can be represented this way or this way. Okay, so this is actually what the complement law. So let's just prove that this law is true. Okay, so let's assume that we have set A as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have the universal set as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so let's prove this first one. So here we have set A as what? This. Okay, I don't need to rewrite the set A. So let's just look for the complement of set A. Now, when we talk about complement of set A, it simply means that everything in the universal set that is not here. So everything that is here in this place, but the element that is here that is not here. So 1 is here, so it's not among. 2 is here, so it's not among. 3 is here, and it's here, it's not among. 4 is here, and it's here, it's not among. 5 is here, 5 is here, it's not among. 6 is here, it's not here. So 6 is a complement of A. 6, 7 is here, it's not there. 8 is here, it's not here. 9 is here, it's not here. 9. So this is the what? Complement of what? Set what? A. Now, so let's now look for the union. A complement what? A union set A complement. So A union A complement. So let's look for that. So remember, union means everything that is here and here, okay? We want to combine these two together. But if a set is repeating itself, if an element is repeating itself, you pick one. So this one, we want to combine everything that is here and here. That is the union. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've picked all the set that is what here. Okay. So here you have 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. So I've combined all the elements that is here and here. So that's what we have here. 1 to 5 is here. 1 to 5 is here. 6 to 9 is here. 6 to 9 is what here. So I've put it here. So that is what A union A complement. Now, do you realize that this is equal to what? This universal set. So we have been able to prove that A union A complement is equals to what? The universal what? Set. So now let's prove that A intersection what? A complement is equal to what? Non-set. Now intersection means what is common to this and this. So let's check. First of all, let's look for A intersection what? A complement. Okay. Let's now check. 1 is here. 1 is not here. 2 is here. 2 is not here. 3 is here. 3 is not here. 4 is here. 4 is not here. 5. So no element is common to this place and this place. So we can now say this intersection, this is actually what? Non-set. Or is an empty set. Okay, it's an empty what? Set, and which can be what? Represented in what? This one. So this theory actually proves what? True. So it's this very simple what? Way of what? Proving that complement law of what? Set is what? True. So simple assignment is being displayed on the screen. So drop your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching.